Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hidayatullah with another new video. In a previous video, I have shown you that how we'll just pass different types of elements of a building, and also I have completed about many Tekla Structural Design related tutorials video that are available in our channel, and also link are given in description. So in this video, I'm just going to show you that how we'll draw and how we'll design our foundation. Okay, so suppose this is a building. This is a real project. You know about that. We have started that, right? So as we have started, we have completed everything. How to find out its drawing, how to find out beam schedule, beam column schedule, slab, how to find out slab detailing. So everything we have done, and how to check a building is okay or not. So we have done everything for our analysis. After our analysis. So in this video, I'm just going to show that how we'll design our foundation. Okay, so which types of foundation is required for our building. So for that, first of all, I will again analysis that. So it's done. After analysis, I'll go design, and from here design wall statistic. Actually they have two options. It's okay, see that every element are pass and some element showing warning, so it's not problem. If I go here, review, so from here ratio, just see here, if they have any red mark, that means it's have it's fail. But there have some element here. Okay, that on and here they are showing its ratio is 0.9 something, but otherwise every elements are fine. Okay, also our building are okay. So after that, we will just come here, statistic. Okay, so it's done. After that, our building is okay. Now we'll go for our foundation design. Just click on foundation, and before starting that, if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So, and if you're new here, you can watch our previous wall video. That link is given in description, and this channel is only for civil engineer. So here more civil engineering related video are available. Now before designing our foundation, I'll just go here, our base, okay, and see it in 3D. So here, our model. Now just click here, pad base column. Okay, pad base column. Okay, it's done. Now from here you have to select many things. First of all, auto design depth, then auto design size, auto design reinforcement. It will be like that. First of all, we'll select auto design. After that, we'll modify if required or not. After that, select bar starting from minima. Shape, which types of shape you desire, rectangle or a square. First of all, I'll select a square shape. After that, from here I will just only change our reinforcement, our concrete compressive strength. After that, it's okay. Actually, suppose there is the auto design and auto design depth, it's okay, but auto design size, suppose you have no problem surrounding your column to provide that area, but you have the limited area, then you can use that. And suppose that there is a line. Okay, there is a line, and here you are saying that here your land are finished. They have no land in that side, so you can use the eccentric column, eccentric foundation. So that means your foundation will be large in that side, and it will be okay here. Okay, like that you can also do it. Also I'll show you that how can I do that. After that is the utilization ratio sliding. Okay, then bar type, so it's loose bar, different G60, it's okay. And here top cover, I will use top cover 3 inch into 3 inch into 3 inch. Done, it's done. After that, allowable bearing capacity, it's almost 100 kilonewton per meter, I mean 2.1 ksf. Okay. And actually you have to change that value according to soil capacity. So after that, if you have any searchers, okay, from here if you have any searchers, then click here soil. Okay, then they have searchers 3, red, none, or anything. Then if you have searchers, just give here searchers depth. If they have any searchers, give here searchers depth. Then other permanent, then if you have other permanent, just give here. Then just like that way give your data if there have any excess data. Okay, so as my foundation depth are 3 feet, so I'll give here 3 feet searcher depth. Okay, it's done. After that, we have provided our all data. Okay, we have provided our all data. Now I'll just simply click here on foundation sign like that, and your foundation will be ready. So just again click here, click here, click here, like that. So if you see here, it's mixed with each other, and that both 4 foundation mixed with each other. So at first I will just I'll just design that, and after that we'll show, we'll see what happened here. Okay, now here actually we have done actually our foundation is not okay, or our design is not okay. Now we have to just click here design pad base. Okay, just you have to click here design pad base. Okay, after that here click design pad base and wait for some time. Now from here see that our wall foundation is okay. If we see it in 2D mode, just here see these wall foundation that are okay, and here is our its size it's a auto design by our model, and also it's okay. Now just for that foundation, if I select that foundation, I'll see here what is its size and shape. It's in X direction it's 7 feet, in Y direction it's 7 feet 10 inch 10.5 inch, and in X direction it's same, and its depth is 13 inch 25 by 32 inch. Okay, after that if I come here, just you see here its reinforcement types are reinforcement type are in mesh, but I will not use that. Okay, So for that I will go here design, right? From here design or foundation, same. So come here setting, after that here foundation, after that general, then isolated foundation, okay, and untick it. Use mesh where possible, so we'll not use mesh, okay. So just click here, after that here general properties, pile, for pile also, and for mat also use mesh where possible, will not untick it, then press okay. Now just come here and change the type loose bar, okay, and sorry, here loose bar reinforcement, here loose bar number 6 3 8, okay, and for here also bar 3 8, okay. So it's done. Sorry, I'll not do it for one slab, I'll do it for every slab. Just select every slab, after that come here, type loose bar, okay, then after that it's okay, it will do everything. So I can click here auto design, okay, we have clicked auto design, then again come here and click here design pad base, okay. Sorry, okay, it's done. Actually we have completed our pad based design. Now suppose I want to just show you something that, and I'll go in 3D, okay. Our wall foundation is okay. Also you can give your foundation size, I mean your particular size, if you think that you need to change that, otherwise it's okay. So here if I show you that our foundation design, okay, so in this way we can design our foundation, and just like similar, right click here, just click that, and after that right click here and come here generate detailed drawing, then from here select 1 inch equal to 1 feet, then press ok, and just see what happened here, and you will found your here, right, here is your reinforcement detailing. Just see here, this is an 6 7 bar, and its distance to distances here, it's spacing 17, it's giving us 17 inch, okay, 17 inch 23 by 32. But just in this way you can found your reinforcement. This is for x directional, okay. So in this way we can and here is our size, right. So it's our depth is 13 inch 3 by 13.75 inch, so like that way. And here you can see that which types of bar are have used here. Number 7 bar used in every direction, and also here also total mass here 0.115 tons river are required. So in this way you can find your data from here. So in our next video I will show that how we'll change suppose see here its spacing is very spacing is max 17 inch spacing. I will not use that, I will reduce that. And also here our reinforcement is number 7 bar, so I will change that. I will show you in next video. And also if I close that, also I will sorry, cancel that, no. And also I'll show you that here suppose here I will use that foundation as the eccentric foundation, okay. So how will use that, Okay, I will show you in next video. So thank you very much, and if you think that that's helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also like our video, leave a comment, and don't forget to share our video with your engineer friends. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.